Okay, the acrylic tubing is done. You can see in there. See, just move the light here. It's better to see it like that. But I bought 2 packs of the acrylic tube, and I've only used 4 length of 600mm, and this is what I got left. These 2 I bought a pack of blue, 4 sticks of 600mm, and these are my test pieces. And all the way through the build took me about 7 hours, but I had the odd break. I had to go and pick the wife up from the store. But this is my jig that I used. That's my center point. And these marks here for all the bends. I had no bad bending, no kinking, no nothing. I used the heat gun and held the tube approximately 3 inches above the heat gun, and everything worked out absolutely fine. No problems at all. So this is what you got left out of 4 sticks. That's 4 lengths of tube at 600mm. No bad bends, no nothing. I use 18 of the Primo Chill revolver fittings in there up to the back of the reservoir, and then down into that. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fill it up, but the only issue I have is this one right here on the CPU, because it's such a bend. Don't know if you can see that. The bend is right on the CPU coming down onto here. It's not quite, I wanted this straight, but it's a little bit out, but we'll have to do. But I think this one's going to leak here, but we'll have a look at it and see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to get the camera set up on the tripod. I've got the power supply. I've gone around and checked all the fittings. What I did this morning is I took the old CSQ block off here and put the Supremacy Evo on there. I got one there. I've got another one coming for here because the Special Tech only had one of the Supremacy clean CSQ, so I got another one. It's easy enough just to take this off, take that off, and I can get that sorted out next weekend. So I'll get set up on the tripod and we'll get filling it and see if I got any leaks. I'll put all the kitchen towel around it, especially under the CPU there. You can see that one there is very, very tight on there, and we'll get back to you in a bit. This board, I've had it now 3 years. It's Asus Pro X79 2011 socket. Brilliant board, love it. Keep your CPU in there. Everything worked great. Before I took it apart, I took the graphics cards apart, sprayed them black, and cleaned out all the crap that was inside there on the fins on the GPU section of it. It was all gunked up. Also cleaned out the CPU block this morning, and yeah, at the moment I've spent seven and a half odd hours getting this thing sorted, but it's great fun. I really enjoy it. So now we're going to put some water in it and see if we got any leaks. I'll set up the tripod and we'll go through it together.